SAP BTP Kyma Runtime Interview Questions and Answers. What is SAP BTP Kyma Runtime? SAP BTP Kyma Runtime is a Kubernetes-based runtime on SAP Business Technology Platform, BTP, that enables developers to build, run, and scale containerized applications and microservices using the Kyma open source project. What is Kyma? Kyma is an open source project based on Kubernetes. It provides a set of microservice management tools including service mesh, eventing, and observability, tailored for cloud-native application development. How does Kyma Runtime differ from Cloud Foundry Runtime in SAP BTP? Kyma Runtime is Kubernetes-based and allows for container orchestration, while Cloud Foundry is a platform, as a service for deploying applications without managing containers directly. Kyma is better suited for microservices and event-driven architectures. What are the core components of Kyma Runtime? 1. Kubernetes. 2. Istio, Service Mesh. 3. Prometheus and Grafana, Monitoring. 4. Loki, Logging. 5. Native, Eventing. What programming languages are supported in Kyma Runtime? Kyma supports any language that can be containerized, Node.js, Java, Python, Go, etc. It also supports serverless functions using Node.js and Python. What is the use of Istio in Kyma Runtime? Istio provides a service mesh for secure service-to-service communication, traffic management, telemetry, and policy enforcement. What are functions in SAP Kyma Runtime? Functions are lightweight serverless code snippets that run in response to events. Kyma supports creating functions using Node.js and Python via UI or CLI. How does eventing work in Kyma? Kyma uses NATs or native eventing to facilitate communication between services using an event-driven architecture. It supports cloud events and integrates with SAP systems. How do you deploy an application in SAP Kyma Runtime? Applications are deployed as Kubernetes workloads using YAML files or Helm charts. SAP BTP Cockpit, Kubectl, or Kyma Dashboard can be used for deployment. What is the role of API Gateway in Kyma? The API Gateway enables secure exposure of services running inside the Kyma cluster to the outside world. It manages routing, authentication, and authorization. How can you integrate SAP S/4HANA with Kyma Runtime? Using SAP Event Mesh or SAP Integration Suite, events and APIs from SAP S/4HANA can be consumed in Kyma Runtime through event subscriptions and service bindings. What is a service binding in Kyma? Service binding connects an application to a managed service instance, for example, SAP HANA Cloud, by injecting the credentials as environment variables or secrets. How does Kyma handle secrets and configuration? Kyma uses Kubernetes secrets and config maps to manage sensitive data and configuration separately from the application code. Can you use Helm charts in Kyma Runtime? Yes, Kyma supports Helm charts for deploying complex applications and managing lifecycle operations of Kubernetes resources. What CLI tools are used with Kyma Runtime? 1. Kubectl, Kubernetes CLI. 2. Kyma CLI, for Kyma-specific operations. 3. Helm chart deployment. What is the difference between runtime and environment in BTP? An environment is a logical construct, for example, Kyma, Cloud Foundry, for running applications, while runtime refers to the actual execution engine within that environment.